Hello students, let's come to the second part of module 1, which is the curve fitting, that is method of least square for exponential and geometric curve. In the previous we have done straight line and parabola. Now let's start. See, when I say exponential, it means I am talking about this type of curve. y is equal to a e to the power bx. And when I say geometric curve, means I am talking about y is equal to a b to the power x. Now what is the working procedure in both? I will tell you simultaneously, then we will do the questions. So in this exponential case, what I will be doing, first step I will be taking log. So this will become log y, okay. I will write log, but it is actually ln, okay. So log y, or I will write base e so it will be more clear, is equal to log a plus log of e to the power bx. We know that log of e is 1, so I will be left here with bx. So log y is equal to log a plus bx. Now what I will do, I will replace this log y by capital Y is equal to a plus bx. So this is a straight line. Now once you get the straight line, what you will do, you will start writing the normal equation. So normal equation will be summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. If you observe carefully, y is changed but x is still same. So to write the second equation, I will multiply the whole equation by x. So summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. So what will be the column? Column will be x, y, and then next column will be capital Y, which will be log of small y. Remember, it is base e, that is ln in your calculator. And then next will be your x square, and next will be your xy. Correct? Now, I'll go to the second side, which is a geometric. If it is a geometric curve like this, what I'll do? Step 1 is same. Take log. So log a plus x log b. Okay, now here it is y is equal to a plus x log b, or directly write capital B. Okay, see, this is one form. In geometric, you can have y is equal to a x to the power b also, and this is more important as compared to this one. So here also you will have the same thing. It is a straight line. You can write down the normal equation. Now let me tell you for this case. Okay. Now if I take log here, what I'll get? Log y is equal to log a plus b log x. So this will become y is equal to a plus bx. So my x is also a new x. So I'll write down the normal equation. So first will be summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. Okay, and then summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Right? And my columns will be here x, y, capital X, capital Y, capital X square, and xy. So the geometric curve and exponential curve get converted into straight line always. Okay, so let's start with the question. Now my question number 13 is, till 12th we have done in the previous video. So the 13th question is, fit a curve of the form y is equal to a e to the power bx to the given data, and the data is x is equal to 0, 2, 4 and y is equal to 8.12, 10 and 31.82. Right? Now, step 1, you have to write the normal equation. Before writing the normal, you have to take the log. So I'll do like this. Log y is equal to log a plus log of e to the power bx, which is bx. So this become capital Y is equal to capital A plus bx. So normal equation is summation y is equal to na plus b summation x, and summation of small x capital Y is equal to a summation of x plus b summation of x square. right? Now, what will be the columns? Columns will be capital Y, which is equal to log of y. Then it will be x square and then it will be xy. Now, what I'll do, I'll first do this on my calculator. So, again go to home, go to statistic, go to to variable, delete the old data without any mistake, then substitute the values. So 0, OK, 2, OK, 4, OK. Now go to the y column. So you have 8.12, OK, 10, OK. Now 31.82, OK. Now I got this. Now do exe. So when I do execute, it is asking me two variable results. See, when I do two variable results, I'll get all the summations. But here I need to take care that I have modified my y. So that won't help me. So I will go to regression results. In regression results, you have, see, first curve was y is equal to a plus bx. Second is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Third is a plus b log x. And the fourth one is what I am searching. Y is equal to a e to the power bx. So I will go to fourth curve and I will do OK. So I got an answer. So I will note down that answer for my reference. Though here table and all I have to make. A is 6.9 and B is equal to 0.341. Right. Now let us do, because I need to fill the table. I know the answer. I got the answer. But still I have to solve and show it. Okay. So now let us start with that. So now first step, I need to fill this column of capital Y, which is log, right? So what I'll do, I'll do shift log 8.12, that is equal to 2.09. Okay, then I'll do log of 10, 2.3025, and then I'll do log of 31.82, which is equal to 3.4600. Okay. Now x square is what? 0, 4, 16. Now I need to do x into y. Correct? So for x into y, what I'll do? First will be 0 because x is 0. Second will be this. Now you have to multiply by capital Y, not the small y. So don't do that mistake. Don't use this column. Now you have to use this column. Okay. So now next is 2 into 2.3025. So I got 4.605. Now next one is 4 into 3.46. So this one I got 13.84. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll find out all the summations. What summations I need? I need summation of capital Y. So summation of capital Y, let us do. So it is 2.094 plus 2.3025 plus 3.46. So this is equal to 7.85. Okay. Now I'll do summation of x square. So summation of x square is so directly 20. Summation of x is equal to 6. And summation of xy is equal to 4.605 plus 13.84. As I am doing, you also do along with me. So I am getting 18.445. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll substitute these values in the normal equation. So my first normal equation says कि summation y means 7.85 is equal to n means how many values are given? 3. So 3 capital A plus B into 6, and the other one is summation xy, that is 18.445 is equal to sorry, 18.445 is equal to 6a plus 20b. Now what I'll do, I'll go to equations, and in that I will pick up simultaneous equation, and since I have two unknowns, I'll pick up that. Now I'll put the value. So first value I'll do 3 is equal to 6 is equal to 7.85. Okay. Then next 6 is equal to 20. Okay. 18.445. Okay. Now do okay. So you got A is equal to 1.93. Okay. And again when you press OK, you will get B, which is equal to here 0.343. See, it's matching with my value. But now you will be confused why A is not matching, because this is small a and this is capital A. Now what you have assumed कि log of A is equal to capital A. So you need to figure out the value. So log E of A is equal to 1.93. So A is equal to e to the power 1.93. Right? So you have to find out this value. So in your calculator, when you do E, so see, go to on, then you go to shift. Oh, sorry, I'm in this simultaneous equation. So let me go to the calculate. So when you go to the calculate, so shift E to the power 1.93. So you got the value 6.88. There will be little bit difference because exponential and log curve are very steep curves. Little value 0.1 also you take different in calculation, there will be a big change, right? So my final answer will be y is equal to 6.88 e to the power 0.34x. So this is my final answer. So I hope this is very clear how to do it now. Yeah. So now let's move to the next question. 14th question, what it says, fit a curve y is equal to a e to the power bx by method of least square given that x is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and y is equal to 133, 55, 23, 7, 2, 2. Right? So now first step, I need to write down the normal equation. For that I need to take log. So log y is equal to log a plus bx. So capital Y is equal to capital A plus bx. So summation y is equal to na plus b summation x, and summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Okay, these are my normal equation. Now I'll make the table. So my table will have x, y, capital Y, x square and small x and capital Y. So now let's write down the values. What are the x values? X value is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And my y values are 133, 55, 23, 7, 2, 2. Right. Now I need to figure out capital Y, which is nothing but log of y. Right. So let me do that for quickly. So now I'll do shift log 133. So it is 4.89. Then shift log 55. That is 4.007. Then shift log 23. That is 3.135. Shift log 7. Okay, now what you can do in calculator, you can use these two columns. Ignore this column. So you will get all the summations. You need not to add, right? So let's do, go to home, then go to statistic, go to to variable. Now how you will put the values? X value are same. We are not changing any x, right? 5 is equal to 6 is equal to 7 is equal to 8 is equal to 9 is equal to 10. Okay. Then go to y values. In y values you put 4.89. Okay. Then 4. Okay. 3.135. Okay. Then 1.945. Okay. Then 0.693 and 0.693. So I have put the value. Now what I will be doing? I will do execute and I will go to two variable results. So now see, summation x is 45. So summation x is equal to 45. Okay. Then I need summation y. So go to your y value. Summation x square also you can note down 355. Then summation y is equal to 15.356. Use calculator. And then summation xy I will search. So summation xy is 99.12. Correct? Now go back, again you reach to table, again execute and go to regression results. So I will go to the fourth one, y is equal to a e to the power bx, and I'll do OK. So I got my answers. So I'll write the answer in my side, here in side paper, and I'll verify whether I am doing correct or not. So b is equal to minus 0.44. So that values I should get when I solve. So now table thing you do, finish your table. You have to fill up these values, okay? Then all summations are there. Now I will write down it in normal equation. I have these two normal equation. First is summation y is equal to NA. So 15.356 is equal to NA. So A and N means how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6A plus bx. Okay. So b summation x I have to do. So b into 45. Then summation xy. So summation xy is 99.12 is equal to, what is the next value? A summation x plus b summation x square. So a into 45 plus b into 355. So I got these two equations. Now you go to home and go to equations. Pick up simultaneous equations with two unknowns and then put the value. 6 is equal to 45 is equal to 15.356 is equal to 45 is equal to 355 is equal to 99.12 is equal to. So now when you do, I am getting A is equal to 9.43, and again if I do OK, so I am getting B as minus 0.917 with negative sign. Okay, so let me check. So my values are varying. So why my values are varying? Maybe I have done some silly mistake here over. Okay, so now let us check my A value at least. So what I will be doing now? A is equal to log of A is equal to capital A, we have substituted. So A is equal to e to the power A, right? So let me check whether my A value is coming correct or not. So I will be doing, go to home and calculate. So shift e to the power, I have A is 9. 9.43. That is coming pretty big. See students, I got confused ki why I got a wrong answer. So I'll tell you one thing very clearly. See, I got this A, I got this B. So now what is A? Because my interest is a small a. So I like this, I got this, and this is only the correct value. Now you may ask me the question ki why it is not matching with what you have calculated. So for that I'll tell you the reason. Wait, I'll write the correct answer first. Minus 0.91x. See, while doing and solving in calculator, what I did, I took this x value and I took this y value. And that's the reason I got this a and b. But actually, when I'm doing the final answer, my this x value and this y value I should take for the final answer. But for the summation, you need to take this value, that you be very particular. Okay, when you are doing the summation, you are taking this value. But final AB value in calculator, you should take this y value. Then you will get the correct answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. My next question is estimate the value of A and B where y is equal to a e to the power bx. Right. And my x values are 0.24 and y values are 5.02, 10 and 31.62. See now, I'll explain you what I told you in the previous question. Now go to home and go to statistic. Two variable you pick up and now you put the new values. New values means 0, okay, 0.2, okay. This question we have done, I am feeling. Yes, this question is done. It is same as question number 13. Yeah, it is exactly same as question number 13. No, few values are different. I am wondering this is 0.2 or 2. Anyways, let's take 0.2 and solve. Okay. Now see what you do. 0.2, okay, and then 4. Okay. Then go to y values. Y values are 5.02, okay, 10, okay, and 31.62, okay. Now in this, if I do execute, I go to regression results and I select the fourth curve. Then what value I am getting for A is 6.76 and B is equal to 0.389. This is correct value because I have taken these values, this given value x and y. But actually now when I'll solve, how I'll start? Log y is equal to log A plus bx. Then what I'll do? I'll take the capital Y is equal to A plus bx and then I'll take the normal equations. So normal equation will be summation y is equal to na plus b summation x and summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. So how my table will go? X, y, which already I have written. Then next will be capital Y. Next will be x square. And next will be x and y. So now when you are using the table, so when I'll go back, I'll reach to the table, I should edit my y values. Okay. So how I'll edit my y values? Okay, this table will be gone completely. So y values will be now the log values. Y is equal to log y. So take log y. So I'll show you. First you go back to the home to take log. So now you will take shift ln 5.02, which is 1.613. Then shift ln 10, that is 2.302. Shift ln 31.62. Okay. Now you do x square. So 0, 0.04, 16 and then you multiply. Now what you have to do? Don't do like this. Don't calculate all this because here only 3 values you can do. But what I'll suggest you, go to statistic again. Pick up two variable. Now x values are 0, okay, 0.2, okay, and 4, okay. Then I'll go up and I'll put this values of y. 1.613, okay, 2.302, okay, and the last value is 3.453, okay. Now execute and go to two variable results. Now here summation x is 4.2. So I'll write the summation value. Summation x is equal to 4.2. Summation x square is equal to 16.04. Okay. And then summation y is equal to, summation y where it is, 7.36. And summation xy is equal to 14.27. Now substitute this values over here. So summation y means 7.36 is equal to 3a plus b summation x 4.2, and then the next one is summation xy, that is 14.27 is equal to a summation x, that is 4.2, plus b summation x square, that is 16.04. Now go to equations of two variables, then substitute the value 3, okay, 4.2, okay, and then 7.36, okay, then 4.2, okay, then 16.04, okay, and then 14.27, okay. So now I got a is equal to 1.906 and b is equal to 0.390. Now small a is equal to e to the power 1.906, right? So again go to calculations and I'll do shift e to the power 1.906. So I got 6.726. Now let me check the answer here. See, now it is matching. Understood what is the difference, what I am trying to explain? When directly a and b you want to calculate, use this x and y in two variable table. But when you want the summations, you have to use this capital Y. So your final answer will be y is equal to a e to the power bx 0.39x. So this is my final answer. Okay. So 16th question is, fit the curve y is equal to a e to the power bx, where x is equal to 77, 100, 185, 239, 285, and y is equal to 2.4, 3.4, 7, 11.1 and 19.6. So when you solve this question, you will get 1.20 e to the power 0.0096x. So this will be your answer. So take it as your homework and finish it off. Okay. Let's move to the geometric curves. So now geometric curves start with question number 17. So question number 17 is, fit a curve y is equal to a b to the power x. Given that x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Y is equal to 87, 97, 113, 129, 202, 195 and 193. Okay. So now let's first try to write down the normal equation. A b to the power x means log y is equal to log a plus x log b. So this will become capital Y is equal to a plus bx. Since x value is not changing, I will take small x only. Normal equation, summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. Summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. Okay. So my column should be capital Y, x square and x capital Y, right? So again here you have to follow the same thing. You first go to statistic. Okay. Go to two variable. Now when you are putting the values for final answer, always have a habit of writing the final answer before starting the question. Okay. to y column. So y column is 87, okay, 97, okay, 113, okay, 129, okay, 202, okay, 195, okay, 193, okay. Now remember one thing. After putting this value of x and this value of y in two variable table, when you do execute, I should not take variance results from this because my summations will be wrong, because my summation involved capital Y and I am using small y. But the final answer I will get correct from this. Now my equation is what? A b to the power x. So let me check whether I have this or not. So A b to the power x is there. So I have picked up that and I got the answer. A is equal to 73.7 and B is equal to 1.688. Correct. So final answer now I have. But you should not write down the summation using this. To do the summations, first you need to find out capital Y, which is log of y. So what I will be doing, I will be finding out log of all the values first. So like this, 4.46, you finish this table. Okay. Now when you finish this table, I'll tell you the value so that you can cross check. It will be 28. Once you finish the table, directly again put in the calculator. Summation y is equal to 34.4. Summation xy is equal to 142.25. Summation x square is equal to 140. Right? So when you solve, you will get capital A is equal to 4.3 and capital B is equal to 0.156. And then what is the next step you should do? You should take out small a, which will be e to the power 4.3, and small b, which will be e to the power 0.156. Okay, this will give you a is equal to 73.74 and b is equal to 1.16. So your final answer will become y is equal to 73.74, 1.16 to the power x. And in this question they have asked an additional thing, ki find y at x is equal to 8. So when you put x is equal to 8, y will be 256.83. Right? Then you have the next question, question number 18. Again your x values are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and your y values are 144, 172.8, 207.4, 248.8 and 298.5, and they are asking to fix y is equal to a b to the power x, exactly same curve. So when you solve this, you will get summation x is equal to 20, summation y is equal to 26.6, summation xy is equal to 108.5, summation x square is equal to 90, capital A 4.6, capital B 0.18. So this will give me small a is equal to 100 and small b is equal to 1.2. Right? Now the next question is question number 19, which is fit a curve y is equal to a x to the power b. Now this is different. What I'll do, log y is equal to log a plus b log x. So this will be capital Y is equal to capital A plus B capital X. So now my whole table will change. First x values they have given is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y value is 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8, 12.5. Now if you want to find out final answer, use these two values. Okay, in calculator use these two values, you will get your final answers. Right? But when you want to find out the summation, first you make the table of capital X and capital Y. This is log of X base E. This is log of Y base E. Right? You make this columns first. And in calculator, use this column now to get the summations of summation X, summation Y, summation XY and summation X square. Because now it is capital letter. It is not small. It is capital letters. And then that you substitute in the normal equation. Write down normal equation for this, substitute and get the answer. So I will write down for your reference. Capital X you will get 4.78, summation capital Y you will get 6.1, summation XY you will get 9.08, and summation x square you will get 6.19. Capital A you will get minus 0.69, which will give small a is equal to 0.5 and b will be equal to 2. So that is how you will get the answer. Now your next question is question number 20, where you have to fit a curve y is equal to a x to the power b. X value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and y value is 2.98, 4.26, 5.21, 6.1, 6.8 and 7.5. So solve it. Summation of x will be 6.57. Summation of y will be 9.933. Summation of xy is equal to 12.01 and summation of x square will be 9.411. This will give you b is equal to 0.514, a is equal to 1.093 and then this will give me small a is equal to 2.98. So my final answer y is equal to a is 2.98, okay, and x to the power b, so x to the power 0.514. So this will be my answer, right? So this is how you have to do the questions of curve fitting. So my next topic is correlation and regression. So in my next video I will be doing the questions of correlation and regression lines, and there will be 3 varieties over there, and then this module is also over. I hope you are understanding the concept and videos are very clear to you. So like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel and share it with all the students. Every student should have access and they should get the help during the exam, during the preparation of exam, using these videos. Thank you.